What's happening, folks? Back with another reaction, and indeed, we're beginning to reintroduce some of the regular deep dives and reaction series. So, as I keep mentioning, for the next week or so, I'll be doing a mixture of holiday reactions and returning to regular deep dives. And by the time we get to maybe the 2nd or 3rd of January, I will be returning to regular deep dives and reactions full time. So thank you for the patience for everyone, both those who've been here for the holiday reactions and those who have just been waiting for the return of regular service. In any case, we're returning to Phil Collins and the Hits compilation. Thank you again to Michaela for providing this CD. And we're going to listen to I Wish It Would Rain Down. So it's interesting phrasing. I mean, rain, it can mean different things, including something that is purifying or cleansing, but raining down can often also mean, dark skies, and it can be an analogy for tears, so it can have a heavier emotional feeling. And wishing it would rain down, I don't quite know how to read that without additional context, so I'll just see what I can catch on a first listen. This is Phil Collins. The tune is I Wish It Would Rain Down, and it's included on his Hits compilation.
Down.
crazy and like sort of epic, powerful song that mixed some different stylings. Like overall, I maybe would put the label power ballad on this because it's a slow, heavier song, but it has those big guitar chords and a bit of a rising, powerful feeling to it. But there's also a blues element. The guitar work, like the lead guitar work, definitely has a bluesy feel. The flourish and just the flavor of it. Then there's those soulful, like gospel choir vocals, which really stood out in the latter half of the tune and right at the end there. And I was wondering if behind those gospel style vocals, if there was like an organ. I don't know if there was. I mean, I think there was keyboard on the track at the very least. But yeah, definitely some different flavors in this. And then Phil's vocals kind of had a bit of a bluesy flavor, but maybe mixed with a bit of a soulful, gospel type sound. But there's some moments where he really, got more intense and passionate in the delivery, and that kind of had a bluesy feel to it. So yeah, I mean, and the subject matter is such that I caught it. It sounds like there's a bit of a blues theme. The idea of, what was the line like? You said you didn't need me in your life anymore. I guess you were right. So it sounds like someone who's left. And rain. I mentioned it can be an analog for tears of sadness, but it can also be cleansing. And it feels like maybe both is happening here. It feels like he's sad that this other person has decided to leave him and to that they don't need him in their life, but it sounds also like he wants to be cleansed of it and maybe cleansed of the feeling of sadness or abandonment. So yeah, maybe I'm not picking up all the details and maybe it's more complicated than that, but it sounds like someone who's sad because they've been left and wants the cleansing, like restorative qualities, and maybe also the tear masking cover that rain might provide. So either way, definitely an epic type of tune, especially Phil's vocals at one or two moments along the way. So I enjoyed it. Do let me know what you think when we come back next time. What does that say? Oh, these eyes of mine. Let me see. So the next time we come back, it will be Against All Odds. I think I know that one. That title really rings a bell. So I can't hear the music necessarily in the moment, but I'm pretty sure I've heard Against All Odds at some point. So I'll be very keen to hear that one. Once again, thank you to Michaela for the CD. Let me know what you think of the tune, and I will see you next time. Peace.